Now this is example number 15, which is given in your book, solved in your book. This is again a very important example. You can get the question right from here. You can even get the question right from here. So it can be asked in either way. So I am explaining this question. So here we have sine theta minus cos theta plus 1. Sine theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 upon secant theta minus tan theta. So here we start with the left hand side and divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. Now why we are dividing by cos theta? Because we know secant theta is also 1 upon cos theta and tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. In both these we are getting the denominator is cos theta. So we are here dividing both numerator and the denominator by cos theta. So this becomes sin theta upon cos theta, cos theta upon cos theta. This is 1 upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta, cos theta upon cos theta minus 1 upon cos theta. Now sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. This is 1. 1 upon cos theta is secant theta. This will be tan theta plus 1 minus secant theta. Now we have to do this, solve this. So here what we do is we take tan theta and secant theta together and then we take 1 like this. Here we have written 1 like this. Then we have substituted the value of 1. The value of 1 is secant square theta minus tan square theta. Then we open this. This is a plus b, a minus b. So a plus b, a minus b. Then from these two we have taken tan theta plus secant theta common. From here we will get 1 minus, this will be secant theta plus tan theta. 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta. So this is same as the denominator, that is 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta. So these two cancels. Here we have multiply sign, there is no sign here. So what is left is tan theta plus secant theta. And in the denominator we have the 1. Again we substitute here 1 is secant square theta minus tan square theta. Then we again use the formula a plus b, a minus b, that is secant theta minus tan theta, secant theta plus tan theta. This secant theta and tan theta cancel, so we are left with 1 upon secant theta minus tan theta, which is our RHS.